Shandور Polo Mela is a joint festival of the Chitral district of Gilgit-Baltistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This festival is celebrated every year from the 7th to 9th July. It is celebrated in the highest polo ground in the world by the name of Shandور. Prominent polo players from the Chitral and Gilgit-Baltistan participate in this fair. It is said that in 1935, the political agent of Gilgit-Baltistan under British rule, Major E.H. Khab, ordered Nait Kabul Hayat Kaka Khel to construct a grand polo ground at Shandور. Since Nait Kabul Hayat was the ruler of his region at that time, he reached Shandور along with the youth of his region and in a very short time completed the construction of a magnificent polo ground in Shandور. At that time, the polo ground was named Miss Janali. The phrase used to describe this place was "play place in the moonlight." After being impressed by this wonderful work of Nait Kabul Hayat Kaka Khel, he offered a big reward, but Nait Kabul Hayat Kaka Khel was unable to accept the reward personally. He asked for trout fish from Cobb. Cobb was immediately agreed to the demand and ordered trout fish from London. He put it in Ghazar River near Gulag Moli. Now those fish have reached Hindarp Lake, Koksh Lake, and even Khalti Lake after breeding. Because of his small effort of Hayat, the Directorate of Fisheries came into existence and became a source of sustenance for thousands of servants of God. This Shandور played the role of a bridge making in the unbroken relationship of Chitral and Ghazar, more stable. Thousands of tourists visit and enjoy Shandور every year from all over the world. When the Shandور Mela starts, a huge crowd of people reach there before the start of the festival. Therefore, all those who want to visit Shandور are advised to arrive at least 2 or 3 days before the fair, because there is a shortage of space for latecomers. Another benefit of arriving a day early would be trout fishing in the nearby rivers. Apart from this, mountain climbing, trekking, horse riding, seeing the snow-capped mountains are all nature's gifts that you can enjoy by punching in before the festival. Chitral Shandور Polo Ground is situated at an altitude of 12,500 feet. It has become a center for tourists from all over the world. Chitral and Gilgit had a tough match in which Chitral scored 7 goals to 5 and claimed the victory. The festival was organized in collaboration with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Culture and Tourism Authority, Pakistan Army, Frontier Corps, and the district administration. Paragliding, Chitral Scouts, traditional dances, and other exciting programs were also presented in the Polo Festival. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Culture and Tourism Authority had also deployed tourism police personnel to assist tourists and ensure adequate accommodation facilities for tourists. On the first day of the festival, a cultural night of Chitral was organized, while a musical concert of Gilgit-Baltistan was organized in which artists entertained the audience by singing traditional and cultural songs. This promoted the rich culture of the region. Polo is played with even more enthusiasm in the world's highest polo ground, Shandور. Every year, Shandور invites people to witness this grand game.